Hello, teacher. Next, I will present my video on the subject of aggregation of links. Alright, this is the introduction. Link aggregation is the ability to create a single logical link using multiple typical links between two sites. This allows load sharing across typical links rather than having STP block one or more links. Ether channel is a form of link aggregation used in switches network. Alright, how the Ethernet channel works. Implemented restrictions. In the illustration, the traffic for multiple links typical and 100 megabytes or 1000 megabytes is aggregated the access switch and must be forwarded to the distribution switch do traffic aggregation. There must be higher bandwidth links between the access and distribution switches. It might be possible to use faster links, for example, 10 gigabytes in the aggregate link between the distribution and access layer switches. However, adding faster links is expensive, also as the speed increases on the access links. Not even the fastest possible port and aggregate link in fast enough to aggregate the traffic coming from all the access link. Next, right port aggregation protocols. Ether channel can be implemented by grouping multiple typical ports in one or more logical Ethernet channels links. The Ether channels provides full duplex bandwidth up to H100 megabytes. Fat Ethernet channels or H gigabytes gigabyte Ethernet channel between switches another switch or host. Currently, each Ethernet channel can consist of to 8 Ethernet ports configured in compatible way. The Cisco iOS switch can currently support 6 Ethernet channels. However, as new iOS are developed and platforms change, some cards and platforms may support greater numbers of ports between network channels links as well as greater number of gigabyte Ethernet channels. The concept is same regardless of the speeds or numbers of links that are involved. When configured Ethernet channels on switches, consider the limits and specifications of the hardware platforms. Right, Ether channels can be formed through negotiation with one of two protocols, PAGP or LACP. These protocols allow ports with similar characteristics to form a channel through dynamic negotiation with adjacent switches. PAGP is a Cisco proprietary protocol that AEPS in the automatic creation of Ether channels links. WLAN Ether channel links is configured using PAGP. PAGP packets are sent between Ether channels capably ports to negotiate the formation of channels. When PAGP identifies compatible Ethernet links, it bundles the links into ether channels. The ether channels is the attempt to spanning three single port. When label PAGP also manages the other channel. PAGP packets are sent every 30 seconds. PAGP checks configuration consistency and manages the links that are added, as well as the firewalls between two switches. When an Ethernet channel is created, it ensures that all ports have the same configuration type. Right? Interface configuration. Configuration guidelines. The following guidelines and restrictions are useful for configuration Ether channels. Ether channels support Ether channels interface on all modules must support Ether channel without the interface needing to be typical configuration or on the same module, speed and duplex. Configure an interface in an Ether channel to operate at the same speed and duplex mode as shown in the illustration. VLAN matching all interface in the Ether channel group must the assigning to he. Same VLAN or configured as a stroke which is also shown in the figure. VLAN range and Ether channel supports the same allowed range of VLANs on our interface in truncated Ether channel. If the allowed range of VLANs is not the same, the interface does not form an Ether channel even if they are set to auto or desired mode. Alright, the next is verification of the Ether channel. Step 1, specify the interface that make it the Ether channel group using the interface range interface global configuration mode command. The range keyword allows you to select multiple interface and configuration theme add-ons. It is recommended to start by disabling those interface so that any complement configuration does not craft activity on the links. Step 2. Create a port channel interface with the channel group interface mode active command in interface range configuration mode. The identify specifies the group number of the channel. The mode active keywords identify its configuration as Ether channel LLCP. Right, the next diapositive, the Ether channel troubleshooting. When multiple support channel interfaces are configured on the same receive, use the show Ether channel summary command to display a single line of information per port channel. In figure 2, the switch as an Ether channel configured group 1 uses LACP. The interface group consists of the interface fast Ethernet 01 and fast Ethernet 02. The group is layer 2 Ethernet channel and is in use as indicated by the letter SU next to the support channel number. Use the show alternate channel port channel command to display information about a specific port channel interface as shown in Figure 3. In the example, port channel interface 1 consists of two typical interface fast Ethernet 01 and fast Ethernet 02 is to use LACP in active mode. It is appropriately connected and to another switch, a compatible configuration, which is why the port channel is said to be in use. And the last is continuous. In conclusion, asyncs all ports in the Ethernet channel to same VLAN or configure team a strong link port with different negative VLANs cannot form an Ethernet channel. Win configuration and data channel from trunk ports, verify that the trunks mode is the same on the trunks. Inconsistent trunking modes on the other channel poles can use the other channel to not work and the ports to be disabled. A disabled state other channel supports the same allowed range of VLANs on all ports. In the allowed range of VLANs is not at the same, the ports do not form another channel even when PAGP is set auto or disable mode. The dynamical negotiation option for PAGP and LAPCP must be configured in compatible way on both ends of the Ether channel. Alright, teacher, thank you for your attention. Have a nice day.